I'm Kyle. I'm in admissions here at Clary Sage College, and this is Sarah, also in admissions, and we're going to show you today what you'll get in your interior design kit. We're so excited that you're interested in the program, and we're just going to go through a little bit of what you'll find in your kit.
Keep in mind this is the first time we've seen it as well,
yes.
So here we go.
All right, so you're going to get all kinds of fun stuff in here. I guess we can start. You want to start with this little pencil thing? So in this really cool container thing here, you are going to find pencils and materials that you need for that. I don't want it to dump out when
I'm be careful. It's okay.
It's here.
So you got different weights here, different colors of your pencils.
This is an eraser stick here that you can use. Oh, this thing's really cool. So this is like a kneading eraser. And for this you like pinch out, it's kind of like, feels like, feel it.
Almost like putty. Like putty, yeah.
And you like pinch out a little piece of it and then roll it and use that to kind of lift off the color when you're drafting. Got an eraser here. Oh, this is like a sharpener. So when your edges get like dull, you've got this little, this has a really fancy name. Yeah, so this, like, you can like do this along here to sharpen it along this. So you've got all kinds of fun tools for while you're drafting. Sharpener.
Yep.
So this is in this
drafting box here.
This is a little box here.
You're going to get a subscription to Autocad here. Usually all of our students are excited about that, so you'll go through that quite in detail over the program because that's going to be kind of one of the newer things that interior designs are using. Over here you have your spray adhesive, and this is what you're going to use to hang up your draft boards, and you will be making a lot of draft boards, and sometimes I know I like to personally kind of come in and look at them. You'll make kitchen ones designed for those, you know, small spaces, just different things like that with draft boards, and that's what this is for, to hang those up.
You're also going to get all kinds of drafting tools. So here we've got some drafting templates that you use while you're making your drafts. It's got like different pieces of furniture on here and door swings and that kind of thing, so you can use those to help you in your drafting.
We've got all of our grid paper here. You've got your tracing paper, your drawing paper, so pretty much everything you would need here to get started.
What else? Oh, a dusting brush for while you're drafting, so that you can like get all of your scraps and stuff off without messing up your work that you've done. Some drafting triangles for straight lines.
Of course, you need your colored pencils, so those are here. You can get a wide variety of those. And this is something cool that we weren't aware of, but this you actually put mineral oil in, and you can use that to just kind of create blending colors, different things like that. So this is pretty cool what you can do with the colored pencils.
And you're gonna get all these colored pencils, which has so many colors in it, and then you can use that little tool to blend them together. And
do you want to show them the fabric book? Which is really awesome.
Here's this book here. So this is a swatch reference guide, and so in this book you're gonna learn about all different types of textiles, how what they're made of, how they're used, what their limitations are. So you're gonna get to learn a lot in here about all different kinds of materials.
You can see there's tons of examples in here. They all have different feels to them, so that's pretty interesting, especially if this is your forte. At least I found this the most interesting. Different patterns, so you can kind of take a look at this. But Alex will be your instructor, and she goes into really good detail about all the different patterns, when you would use them, why you would use them, and how they work. So
definitely. We've got another little box to show you too. So this one is fun here. Let's see, how do we get this open? So you open this up and then it kind of folds out. And you've got some more materials in here for while you're drawing. Oh, you've got this like a knife.
Your X-Acto knife, so be careful.
And this is so fun.
You might think it's mascara,
but it's not. This is a pencil sharpener. So you've got this here for your pencil sharpener.
We've got all of your markers down here. So you can see all of our markers here. There's quite a bit of quite a few.
And does it have two?
So they're labeled, so you can kind of see the fine tips here with the different colors. So there's quite a few in here.
And then this is like let's see, this is a dry cleaning pad, so it's kind of heavy, but you like dab this onto your drawings so that it doesn't,
like a powdery mix coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So, but you use this for erasing whenever you're doing your drafting.
Yeah. You get some extra blades for your X-Acto knife as well too.
Some of the other things you're going to get in your kit include lots of pencils as well as a drafting scale. So more tools for you to use and to help you as you're drafting and sketching.
Yeah, everything you need will be included. So hopefully you like looking at it as much as we did.
We're so glad you joined us today. I hope you had as much fun looking through this as we did. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Go to clarysagecollege.com, and we hope to talk to you soon.
Bye guys.
Bye.
See ya.